Hi, I'm with Crock-Pot and I'm about to teach you how to make eggs poached in tomato chorizo sauce. Right away, we're going to start with pressing simmer. And then start. And I'm going to slice up this chorizo. You can use a hard or soft chorizo. If you're using soft, you can just empty out the casings and just use it like a mince. But this is a drier kind, so we're going to just dice it straight into the pan. So I'm going to quickly chop up my onion. I want that chorizo to have a bit of colour before I pop my onion in, so I'm just going to chop up my sage in the meantime. The thing about a crock pot is a lot of people sort of affiliate it with wintry, kind of heavy dishes, but it's not the case. You can do so many things with it. You can steam rice in it, you can make yogurt, you can make dessert, and now we're making breakfast. And I just love that it all happens in the one pot, so no washing up after brekkie, and I reckon that's good now. I can pop the onions in. So I'll let that cook until the onions soften, and while that's happening, I'm going to cut up my capsicum. Just a small sort of 1 centimetre dice. If you like it chunky, you can cut it chunky, and in that goes. Everything's nicely sautéed now, so I'm going to add the tomatoes. Crushed tomatoes or chopped is fine. Some tomato paste, just to boost that tomato flavour. And then some kidney beans, some cannellini or butter beans. Give that a little bit of a stir just to combine everything. And then pop the glass lid on, so no pressure. And let that come to a simmer. Okay, what you want to do is you want to make a little hole with your wooden spoon and then pour your egg into it. So it's got a little nest to go into, otherwise it kind of goes everywhere. And then I'm going to pop the glass lid back on so we can keep a close watch. For a runny egg, it's usually about 6 minutes, and for a more well-done egg, I'd go 7 or 8. Okay, this looks about right. So now I can pop my egg into my little pot. Have to be a little bit delicate the way you scoop the egg up, because you don't want to pop that beautifully poached yolk. Oh, perfection. A little bit of parsley to finish with some toasted sourdough, and that's my eggs poached in tomato chorizo sauce.